Hey, sorry, Nene so. Hey, oh, me sense na me wi asa manum. I share one like those months na share one wi wi sent to. Okay. Onya na be kasa mo bia te hwe wonu kankan no anso wa na hwe wonu kankan. Enti na wan fo mpehye. So wonu bo de a. Those months na share be dia mo. That say because one from one na utwi fam. Masmeli bia. Welcome to another episode of Issue Day. You are welcome, everybody. Welcome. It's a new day, a brand new day game, a brand new day hustle, a brand new day back-to-back hustle, gaining with money in film. First things over to my subscribe to the Amami YouTube page. Or call my subscribe to the Amami 80 Smart. Set up links, me send them out on Sabbath me aka alert and all honor. So once I can alert na why don't come me boost go subscribe or me ko fa WhatsApp bio area won sabe can alert no phone and kasa no why they watch you. So in this episode of Issue Day it's a cracking busting my mind. A critic cracking busting my mind with my uncle dent. My uncle dent issue this time I don't understand. Me as a guy I feel to fuck somebody no be my man. It be my woman be. But woman being like a lady. Say nyankopon abade bi say bema de. No be so change oil ho ba unya obi na one na dey something which is the sakara fuck person you be ness or fucking in this quarterly don't wear no. The unya and as the we here who can you unya so the near side na oba. But trending news via question says some guy be day outsider. Child you woman go catch on away key. Now it is on one casane mammy, aqua chino, our nadam for a day, a gay. Now gay no like now say if no ba what is obey or bound young passion album miles special. What is the bodiless African balance something there no? What's the woman cry now? Why be because I show our dream say if be being go ready be so I say bet what me say the ending and I'll pay offer your uncle Bema. O my no well my mena monitor or match anytime be an adam for no eba fear not why they want share. The way I'm living see call or moon commodity or baby I know I question them or baby I know I question them. One day, okay, one on Tiasia something be Boston the mind kakra to one or say, Yakusu me bay them one I don't understand. Anytime you say, guy, you are down for bound chain, they went to move out to the way the movie and with the Avanas movie more events saying, board don't want them like more. Feel ho na mo ya ade a wotim say like play some and an ask me what them na TV game alright. Now all of a sudden wotim ye din na odwen on just say. So as a sudden day be na wotim say all call na or set a camera inside or no come out so yeah just go out. Na woman no adam for no buy no go round no so watch the air call to or to share that time say we dey mean go by bentin adam for no buy no say oh play akono kra da ban so ko ba bia ba na ko tenas na wo hwe video no o hwe ya na ese de ekoso ni na ese de wo dwenye no oni ti dwen na ese ya mpa ko te ma me na su ma me ra ko no ho se wa wo ne ba na hwe ni kola ne areho if you see the woman bow down in Koto days where the things they go they cry like in mommy or in puppy dying Charlie no be easy. So you watch the video.
Just let me tell you about that. Why are you touching him like that?
Is grandmama okay? Mom, why you tripping? I mean,
no.
I can't have friends over?
No.
You act like I can have friends over or something. I mean, I was getting some sheets out for him.
No.
Flipping no clothes on, it's too hot for that shit.
But I know what I fucking saw, Justin. I know what I fucking saw. Oh.
Mom.
No. No. No, I saw. No. No, God. No. Jesus. No. No.
wo yonko be ma ho be wako Jesus, I don't understand with this like say bibi wo be yonko be ma ho be wako ndo. You see, Yankopo ashira aboma ho. Yes, a man I aduane bi amanipa like you take this, you taste no good, you come out am, then you leave am, you take different one till so be worry. Obetima so man nyina bi ahwe so whisker. No betima so bi ahwe. Be me gas go so no good. Wo ba akwa afo ba akona. Na wo bi be ma obenya odo e dem ma oyonko be ma. All these things Charlie, ti de koye ano na ese maame na nkasa na ra wo no say what me awoba just as a guy you stand there no dey be na open ba ho awunya na ba be na wo pen na won sanka ho gay tumutu udi yonku be ma pan na udi ni tru just like what one nya pa so nti wo bone ke na wo yonku be ma so bone ke na wo gina wo no e na wo wait. Alright. Okay, you stop it. I'm just like I want to cry. I just remember my puppy died with these things. They're like, come home. I say, I could try you see. Sorry for the wood, yeah, me real who yeah like. Nah, fucking this again, yeah, won't throw away. Can't you way any better than the air? You followed it as a gay who do your uncle Bema true. All these things. Shout out to everybody just sharing, giving me pushing. Baby, I corner one year, keep on pushing from down to the top. You go gain, you go get your own money, your own capital to hustle. Like now, no, you the hustle, go come, back to back, hit and hit, you go get. And now we get the anatomy, embalming, x-rays, do. You get it analyzing, then you answer me, give me boza. So shout out to everybody. I